Good morning, YouTube friends and family. Hope everybody is doing well. This is a Saturday. We had a little bit of downtime. I know we haven't posted. A bit of downtime. Yeah, we didn't post any videos in a couple weeks. We've been working on some other things. Um, Putting our time and effort into some other things. Nothing has come to fruition yet, but as soon as it does, we will let everybody know what that is. We over here in Texas, in Denton, just took some hot showers. The pressure is good. If you're in the area, come get you a hot shower, truck drivers. We can't never have enough showers, so come get one. Today, I'm coming to you about some things that we do ourselves to maintain the air quality inside the cab, and that's changing the circulating filters. Um, this is a re-record because I didn't turn my mic on, so hopefully I have it right this time. So
you have your mic on?
I think I got it on. And make sure. Yeah, the light is on. So we didn't have the mic on at first, so I have to do a redo. So this is going to be pretty quick because we already put them in. So I'm going to show you what to do. This is a 2025. We have two recirculating filters in the cab. I don't know how many other trucks have other makes and models or um, anything older than the 2025 Freightliner. So
the 2024 also had two.
They had two as well. We changed two in the 2024 too. Okay, so the first one is behind this panel right here, and as you can see, there's a word here that says pull. You just put your hand behind here and pop this off. It has like 10 clips. I counted them in the last video, so I remember that it's 10 of them. There's 10 clips here, and they just pop back into these holes right here. So put that to the side. So all you have to do is just put your hand right here and lift this up and pull it out. These filters, as you can see, is brand new. Just put it in. There's a rough side and a smooth side. So the rough side should be facing towards the outside, because you know the air blows in when you down the highway. The air, all the bugs and all of that stuff blows into the grill to keep the engine cooler. So the air will come here, all the dirt and stuff will blow through here, and then this is more solid, so it shouldn't come through inside the cab.
You want to show the dirty one?
Yeah. So let me show you the difference between the two. So the first one, if I just put both of them side by side, you can focus that, babe?
Yeah.
You can see that? Yeah. So we try to change the filters every time we get an oil change. Or if we sense that the cab has a funny smell, like when we put on the AC or we put on the heat and it's blowing through the vent, a funny type smell, because these filters are mad cheap and they hold all types of outdoor scents. Or if you're cooking in a cab and you have the AC on or the heat, it'll blow through there and it'll keep that smell in there. So we try to change them as often as possible. Like I said, we do it every time we change the oil, or if we sense that the air quality is not so good in here, we'll order new ones and change them. We're going to go research some charcoal ones, because the charcoal ones, from experience, my wife changed her filters in her car, cab filters, to charcoal, and she got better air quality inside. So we're going to do that to see if we have that same air quality change in a truck. So you just same way, just in reverse, line it up and just slide it in. There's no bracket or nothing to hold this filter in. And just slide it down even like that. And that's that. And then you just line these clips. You see that? Just line these top clips up first. That's what I do. And just tap in. That's it. All right. That's the first one. And now I'm gonna show you the comparison of the one here. This is for our AC. When the APU is running, we are able to run the AC and the heat for the bunk without idling the truck. So here, there's a little indent right here. You just put your hand right here, grip it, and just pull out. That has 4 clips, and that's the same type of thing. I cleaned all of this. Me and my wife stand by disinfectant wipes. We had wiped this vent down and all of that stuff like that. And let me get the flashlight because you can see it better. And you see the filter sitting right there, right? I'm gonna pull it out so we can compare the two. They both the same size. This one is a little bit dirtier, as you can see. So just throw that back in the trash. And this goes the same way. This has a smooth side and a rough side. The rough side should be facing towards the fan because as the fan spins, it's spinning all the dust and stuff into the filter. And this smooth side is less porous, so nothing should come out from the back. So, and it's the same thing. Line up this corner, get this corner started in there first. Get that corner in there. Slide it in there. Get it in there. There's no clamps or nothing that holds this either. And just push it down so it could be flush right there. And that's how you put that in. And then you just line these clips back up. And you do the same thing. Just give it a little tap. And that's it. And then we usually wipe all of this stuff down right here with disinfectant wipes to get the dust off. You coming in even though we take our shoes off at the door, you still be having dust real low. We have the blower in here too that we blow the dust out the truck, but we try to keep everything wiped down to minimize all that dust. Because if it's dusty in here, then the air gonna blow in there. You're gonna have bad air quality as well. And that's how you do that. We'll put the part number. They both the same part number. So if you order one, order two, try to change both of them at the same time. If you can't afford to do that because you're a company driver or whatever, your air quality is something that hinders your breathing and stuff like that. So if you can, try not to wait for your company to change them. See if you can go and get them changed at their maintenance shop or whatever. Just complain until they change them, because that's what we did when we was company drivers. We just went to the place and they just replaced them for us, and they gave us new ones and I put them in. So do that, because your health is more important than delivering a load, trying to get a load there with bad air quality inside the cab. And we appreciate everybody. Thanks for the subscribers. Thanks for the engagements. And like, share, and subscribe. Until next time, keep rolling.